Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade volatility 75 index on the 15 minutes time frame. Today we are on the chart. I have three windows. I have my main window. This is my main window. I have indicator window 1. This is indicator window 1. And I have indicator window 2. Okay, now the way the strategy works is on the main window I allow price to cross above price and the red and black moving averages. I allow them to cross above uh, the blue moving average for me to have a bullish uh, trend development. All right, so something like this, like crossover above the blue moving average, which is my 200 moving average, for me to have a bullish trend development. Now I'll take the trade when I have a retest. Okay, the crossover is right here. Okay, I'll only take the trade on the main chart if I have a retest of the black and red line like I have around here. Is a retest as in price goes up and then comes down, okay, to the moving average, not break and close below, comes down to the moving averages and then start to go up. That's my retest. That's when I take my buy trade. Okay, then to sell as soon as I have a break, okay, I'll look for a retest. But for this particular uh, example, I do not have a significant retest close to my break. There's a break, but there's no significant retest. There's no significant pullback. There's no significant pullback to uh to the to this. No significant after the break. There's no significant pullback to the red and the black uh moving average. All right, but we can still find, okay, let's find a better example. Okay, all right, it's an example. Break, okay, to confirm bearish trend. Now we are in a bearish trend. Price goes above and then comes down. At the point of coming down, you enter your sell trade here at the close as soon as the candle drops below the two moving averages and closes. Okay, so you take your sell trade around here. All right, is another example. You have the break, you have the price and moving averages crossing here. You take your sell trade at the close below the red and the black moving average. All right, so your stop loss should evidently be at the high. Stop loss should be above the high or the resistance. Stop loss should be above the high or the resistance. You take your trade at the blue, take your trade at the blue mark when you have the candlestick closing below the red and the black moving average. Take your trade at the blue mark. Okay, but your stop loss will be above the red. The green is when you have confirmation of crossover. This is your confirmation of crossover. This is your stop loss. This is your entry. This is your entry. You can trail. You can easily trail your trade in profit. Okay. This is another entry. And this above here is your stop loss. And you can trail. Okay, now you have another retest here. This is another retest. So price touched. It should be your red. Price touched the black and red moving average line around here. So above there is your stop loss. Now this should be your entry. Should be your entry. Okay, and you can always trail your profit. All right, so that's just that. That's just that. Let's look for, okay, like this, a bullish. Use the color this green. When you have the red, and the black line. You have it crossing over. So your retest should be red. There you have your stop loss. Okay. And then the break of the eye. Around here should be your, somewhere around here should be your entry. Your buy entry. Okay. So that's basically how the strategy works. It's a very good strategy. You like it. Okay, that's for the main chart. Now let's go to indicator window 1. Now indicator window 1 is very simple. When the red line crosses down on, anytime the red line crosses down on the blue line, that's your, let me change the color to green. That's your, this is sell signal. Okay, when it crosses up, it's a buy signal. Like you have a buy signal here. You have a sell signal around here. Then you have a buy signal around here. Okay. And it's a sell signal. Is a buy. It's a buy signal. Okay, so that's basically how to use the indicator window 1. How to use the indicators on indicator window 1. Now let's go straight to indicator window 2. Now for indicator window 2, when you have something like this, it's a buy signal. Okay. Actually, the buy signal is around here, but this is your confirmation to buy. Just like you have a sell signal around here. And this is your confirmation to sell. Your confirmation to buy or sell is when the black and the red lines cross below the 0 or above the 0 level. All right. Just like you have around here, confirmation to buy. Like you have around here, confirmation to sell. Okay. information to buy, information to sell. Okay, so that's basically it's like this is to sell, and this for you to buy. Okay, all right, so that's basically how strategy work. So all you need to do is wait for the right time where you have alignment of all windows. Okay, and then start to wait for your retest and break. Okay, wait for retest and break, and then try to combine where you have a synchronization of all signals to enter your trade. Okay, so that's just that. Let's look at the indicator settings. Now on the main chart, I have moving average 200, simple moving average. The shift is 0, method is simple, apply to close, color is blue. Then I have 35 linear weight moving average, shift is 0, apply to close, color is red. Then I have 20 exponential moving average, apply to close, shift is 0, color is black. So that's that for the main chart. For indicator window one, I have MACD, fast EMA is 12, MACD slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to close. Now the color of the main and the signal style will match the background color of the chart. Then we have moving average. The period is 200, shift is 0, method is linear weight, apply to previous indicators data. Now the color of the style will be blue. Okay, the another one is the period is 1, shift is -3, method is linear weight, apply to first indicators data, and the color is red. Okay, now we go to indicator window 2. We have MACD. The fast EMA is 4, slow EMA is 17, MACD SMA is 4, apply to close. Now the color of the main style is blue, while the color of the signal is red, and the level is 0. Okay, color of the level is blue. All right, then we have moving average. The period is 1, shift is 0, method is linear weight, apply to previous indicators data, and the color is black. So that's that for the parameters of the settings. It's a very good strategy. It's a very good strategy. Make sure you backtest it, check it with what has happened in history, then try it out on demo accounts. If you like it, then you can go live. You can go live. Don't just go live on seeing a new strategy for the first time. Okay, make sure you try it out on demo accounts to have the grip on how to use it, to understand how to use it before going live. If you are successful in the demo testing, then you can go live. All right, don't forget to click the subscription button, click the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. Also click the like button, make comment below the video, ask question if you are not clear with any part of the video. Also click the bell button below the video for notification. We have a website. Our website is www.binfxtrader.com. We also have another website, fxfables.com. You can visit these two websites to learn more on how to trade Forex and Volatility Index. Till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.